Wannan bidiyon ina nuna ma wata kwastoma na ne da take US kayayyakin da na siya mata. Kin san dai ko kuma in ce kun san dai in ina son yi delivery ma customers na yawanci ina tura musu abubuwan da suka siya kafin nan because sometimes aiki yana min yawa sosai. So oh my god, I wanted to make this video in English. Yeah, so let's just switch to English. So in this sorry guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. I am a YouTuber based in Maiduguri, Nigeria, and in today's video I will be taking you on the process of how I created an amazing turaren wuta, which is called Sandal Asal, Sandal Asli, Sandal number one, Sandal incense, Sandalwood. So these are my let me just say this is my this okay. So all this turaren wuta you're seeing here are the already fried turaren wuta. Like this is for my UK customer that sells my turaren wuta. So this is the turaren wuta after the first stage of production, sorry, first and second stage. So this is my Sandal Asli, Sandal Asal, and I'll just be calling this Sandal Asal, guys. So this is the first ingredient I added is my grinded grey ambergris, and the grey ambergris I use is the one that comes in a white box. I like grinding and preparing all my ingredients when I'm making my trial water because it will reduce the stress and workload for me. So sometimes when I make trial water at the end of the day, I tend to have like back pain, or like I just get so tired at the end of the day, like I cannot do anything. So I like preparing the ingredient like the way food creators do. They prep their ingredients they use in making their food, and then it makes their work so easy. So I do that too sometimes, and sometimes especially like if I'm having like little or no help, because this time around my grandmother and my cousins are not at home, and I just had to like ask my friend to come with me so that I can make this trial water. So this trial water is not for my customer. This one is the one I will be reselling to my like retailers. Yeah, just like in little jars. This is not like a wholesale trial water. This is the one I sell. This one is mine. Yes, so all those ingredients I've added, if you are an OG on this channel, you know this ingredient that I'm adding. Guys, look at the quality of everything I use. Like I cannot emphasize on the quality. Like I don't compromise with quality when I'm making my trial water, and all those items I source them myself. I get them myself. Like quality is my watchword because I want something that people will come back for more, and this my trial water like is nice and everybody loves it, even though it is very pricey, but people who value quality and authentic scents love to get my Sandal Asli, Sandal Asal Turaren water. So I'm trying to crush the Luban Saudi that I added. And guys, if you notice, I measured the ingredients I added in this Turaren water. I do measurements in my trial water, and then I asked my friend to write them down because sometimes when people get like some trial water from me, they come back and ask me for that same type, like that exact type of trial water, which makes it so difficult for me to recreate if I did not write down the recipe. So here, this is me adding a spray perfume just to help my trial water have this amazing scent, just to give it like a unique touch. It does the English, yes. But then this is a grandmother staple. Like this is a Maiduguri woman's signature oil. If she is making her trial with I could I don't know. Yeah, but then you see that word they say abar masa kayansa, like abar mana mu yan Maiduguri kayan mu, like we know what we do, we know what we're adding. Sometimes it's not bad for people to like just use what we want to use, but then what makes our own difference is the authenticity and then all those ingredients that we use, like this our grandmother's oil perfumes that we use. I call them grandmother's oil perfume because like I grew up seeing my grandparents and my mother, like my grandmother, my aunties, my mom using this, like all these old oil perfumes. We have a lot, but then all these ones are just like I mean, these ones I used are like the ones that have nice scent and they go well with my sandalwood sandalwood incense. So I was finding it difficult to open the bottle of my Al Anud oil perfume because the cover was so strong. But then I had my friend to help me. I asked my friend to help me. So the I did not have my beaker very close, and I was too tired to stand up and go and look for a beaker. I said I will be giving accurate measurement. I did this video and send it to my students in my private class with the accurate ingredients and the full names of the ingredients and the oils. But for YouTube, I'll just be showing you guys the process used and like the unedited process used. Because if I say I want to like come and explain it in details, it will take a long time. But um, guys, if you watch closely, you just pick one or two things on how I make it. So the wood I use is the sandalwood that comes in a red pack, the Hemani sandal, yeah, or sandalwood, yeah, from Hemani brand. It comes in a maroon container. Yeah, and then it does not come in this form. It comes like in little logs, and then we give people breaking it to break it for us. It costs just 500 naira for them to turn it into the size and shape we want. So this is the after adding the almond oil, I added this oil. This oil is so nice and it helps like your incense blend together. It is so affordable, like this big bottle. If you hear the price, like guys, you guys will shout, but like it's so good. It's better than all those CPL and all those shaker and maiko oils that some people use. Sometimes if people use that kind of oils in their turare, their incense, it makes their turare smell like turaren bori or turaren hauka. But it is what it is. Some people don't even know like the authentic ingredients or like the nice ingredients used. That's why they use it. So I don't blame them. Like I had somebody that was this video is like a story time. So I have somebody that I was supplying to water to, and she stopped coming back because she came back one time and then the price of everything changed. And I think I told her like the price I was giving her will not be possible. Like the last order I did for her, guys, the only thing I got from making the four trial water like was just 3,000 naira. It was so bad. Like it's not that 3,000 naira is bad, but for you to make like up to like 10 liters of water, I get 3,000 naira. I think you are being used. Yeah, I'm not talking about the stress and everything, but then it's not people that make water or are business owners will understand. In this economy, you get 3,000 naira for making 10 liters. Like that's bad. So when I gave her the new price, she did not come back for literally. She did not even tell me anything. She just like went MIA. But then she came back later on and then sent me some pictures that she learned the turare from someone, and she is making the turare water. And guys, when she sent me the picture of what she was trying to recreate, I did not have anything to say because like I don't know, like I became so weak. Like how can you mix shaker oils and almas oils? Like they do not go hand in hand. If you're using the bad oils, just continue using the bad oils and make your bad turare. Then if you want to use like good oils in your turare, like the Nasim, Almas, Surati, then just use them. And maybe you can use them, you can use oils like the Zamzam, Kindle, Cherachena oils. But then she used, ah, guys, I do not want to share the picture of what she sent, but like, guys, you guys will want to even cry for her. She makes all these enhancers and all the Almas oils together, and she said the turare is smelling so bad, and she said I should help her and fix it. I just told her, I just sent her the class details. If she can join, let her join. If she does not want to join, that's it, guys. So after making it, guys, after making the sandal chips that day, I went to the market to get oil perfumes for someone who messaged me that she wanted some oil perfumes. I sourced this oil perfume, and everything you see here on this table cost us 300 naira. 300,000 naira cheap. Then this is another oil perfume that my the lady in the first clip of the video, or those ingredients in the first clip, I added these two oils to it because she wanted to sell them. So the first clip you saw at the beginning of this video is for someone. So I added this too, and then after that I came back home, and then I packed an order going to Adamawa Yola. And guys, I came back home and I noticed that I ran out of, no, I did not run out of the labels, but I could not find the labels for Lady Newton, and I did not want to delay this beautiful like customer because I have already like delayed her a day. I did not give her a notice that she will not be getting her perfumes the same day she made order. So I had no right to delay her order because I did not inform her beforehand. So I wanted to send this out yesterday night, which is Friday evening, and I just packed everything, and this is me showing you the different types of um perfume she got. So this is an oil perfume that we drop on the carpets, on the chairs, and on curtains. She did not want any incense, but she wants her home to smell nice. Then the two box, like the two in the middle, are humras. They are very old humras. These humras are more than like 6 months old. I just saw them somewhere lying down in my bedroom, and I took it and sold it to her. And then this is Lady Nude, the last standing Lady Nude. So I packed everything you see here, and then I sent it. I just packed it in the bag, and yeah. Okay, so guys, I have sealed and wrapped everything, secured everything. You know, everything is glass, so this is where I'll be adding it. And so let me add this quickly and run to Bordeaux Express and deliver it because I'm running out of time. This is 7:02, guys. Oh god, ants. I have sugar in this room, so that's why I have ants. Guys, my grandmother is not here anymore. So sad. She traveled back to Cameroon. I miss my grandmother. I had to call somebody to help me make all this Bakhoor. Yeah. So, and I said I was adding a free gift for her. So this is the free gift. I have this cute thank you pack, but it's kind of old. Don't know. Should I use it? It's old and dirty. I'm not using it. I'm just gonna add this to the pack. So guys, I'm done, and off to Adamayola. Thank you for your patronage. Guys, this is 7:19 p.m. I'm going to drop off the order. Custom. Oh no. Guys. I will wait for some minutes. Oh my god, the guy said I should come there 8. I don't think I'll meet him, but let's see how it's gonna go. Hopefully I met him there, and give the guy I give my deliveries to give the first car leaving to Yola and Kaduna the next morning. And then I went back home, and then I came back and I bought some of my some of my students trying water. My student my student who that hired sent her practicals for me to try and just tell her how the scents are. And but then so far I love everything about her perfume. Like it's giving this exclusive ball is giving my type of Toyota, like my own preferred like the type of Toyota I prefer. So I'm this kind of person that likes woody sandal scents. I don't fancy fruity oriental scents, guys, but then everything is so nice. She did a really good job. I will make a more detailed video on the review of her perfume. So, guys, I've started my practical, my final year practical. Please say a prayer for me. Your girl will soon be out of the university. I will soon be a graduate, inshallah. Please, guys, pray for me. I'll soon be done, and then I can fully focus on fisheries and travel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos. Thank you guys. We are almost 5k. As I'm speaking to you now, I am just one subscriber away to 5,000. Yeah, 5k subs. Yeah, so guys, I love you all. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your love and support, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.